Here are 18 free animated textures that I use on a daily basis. First, you want to navigate to premiumbeat.com. It is a website that is used for music and sound effects. We want to go to blog, free downloads, then go to the search bar and type in 18 free animated textures. It should be the first one you see in your list. And click on download free animated textures. I like this pack because it comes with different types of textures like felt, clean, and hairy, even fabric, dirty, and pattern, and tons of different papered backgrounds. And these are great to use for a lot of different things. How I generally use it, I drag it down to the timeline, and then I layer some B-roll on top, generally of photos that are given to me by clients. And then I get those photos set up however I like them. And now the textured background is not as noticeable, but it's still interesting. And we can focus on the foreground, which is the important stuff, the client's photos. Don't forget to check out some of my other tutorials. If this video was helpful, hit that like button. And if you want to see more, please subscribe.